I'm at the Caribbean Queen on Bloor and Lansdowne, right beside Cheeto's, the greatest pizza place in the universe. Their pizza's pretty shit, but the chicken shawarma pizza is exquisite. But anyways, here's why we are here today. I saw a guy eating this on Instagram, and this is I don't know if you can see how fat that is. I can't even touch this. It's so hot, like even through the paper it's burning my hand. This was $4.50. This is a beef patty. They have beef, chicken, veggie. I can't remember if they have any more. They got some food too, oxtail, jerk pork, jerk chicken. Nice little place, nice music. It's so hot, I don't know if I could break this open. But there was one, like if you can see how fat this is, there was one even fatter, like almost double the fatness of this guy. And I told her to give it to me, but she said it was a veggie, so I'm not gonna do a veggie patty. The bread does seem, let me try to break a piece of the bread off. Yeah, the bread is dense like George. You guys know I don't like that shit. Here's what it looks like on the inside. So it's almost like a biscuit. It's good. Yeah, you know what? I don't think I could break this. I'm gonna just try to bite it. It's heavy. It's very fucking heavy. It's kind of like Patty Time patties, just with a really thicker bread. Patty Time was like really thin, like paper thin. This is thick like George. Pause. Let me try to dump that meat out a bit. Okay. I think this was just made because I was like, give me the fattest one. She's got some on display in the front, but with this one, she's like, let me check out what I got in the back if I got anything fatter. Yeah, you could kind of see the meat in there. You can see the smoke. It's like a little oven in there, man. It's so fucking hot. You could kind of see, like right here, you can see a little bit of that spice, that green thing there. I don't know if that's a little piece of pepper or something, but looks awesome. Smells awesome. Yeah, the meat and the flavor. Yeah, 9.6. This is really good. I don't like the bread is not bad. It's just not my, you know, I prefer that flake like from Alwyn's. This is more like, to me, I would classify this as like a biscuit. This is the type of shit that what's that guy? George's uses. It's so dense, like you could break pieces off like a cookie. But it's kind of good because you got all this really hot meat, Oz, and you need something to be able to contain it. Yeah, it's a lot. The flavor's amazing. 9.6 Caribbean Queen on Bloor and Lansdowne. Yeah, I've never had a patty like this. This is definitely, I don't think the patty quest is over, actually. You know what? You know what? I'm giving this a 10 because I don't think you can use any other type of bread with that much meat. Check this out. Yeah. Jesus Christ.